His best bet is to continue patrolling his territory. After all, he has at least 3 other females, and further down the track he may get a warmer welcome. Wallowing in their private waterhole, Butchie's family is happy doing nothing much. Fishing for frogs is enough to keep the youngsters amused during the heat of the day. Like many young animals, this male cub mimics adult life through play. It's a way of sharpening his teeth and his skills as a predator. But for now, he and his brothers bask in the security of their mother's side.